Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by confirming the area is dry and solvent clean. It adheres only to clean substrates. Once cleaned, measure and cut the high polymer butyl tape with a 1/2 inch overlap so repairs seal. Make an initial tack at one end and press along the joint. Use short, firm strokes. You want continuous contact. Air gaps will break the seal. If edges lift, reheat briefly with warm air and press again so the polymer wets into pores and anchors. Once the tape is laid, use a hard roller or a block to apply steady pressure along the entire length so the butyl polymer flows and fills voids. Make sure to work from the center out to expel trapped air. This improves the mechanical and waterproof bond. If ambient temperature is low, warm the tape to about 120 degrees F to 140 degrees F to increase tackiness. Do not overheat. Finally, trim excess and feather the edges so water sheds away. You finish by inspecting the entire repair under light and with a water test. Look for bubbles or gaps. If you find small gaps, press with a roller or warm gently and reseal the edge. If leakage persists, remove the tape, clean the substrate again, and reapply. Proper adhesion beats patching over a contaminated surface. One tip: store unused rolls sealed and cool so the butyl stays tacky. If the tape becomes dusty, clean the surface rather than the tape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.